Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Whenever you snore all night long, you don't really get any rest. Neither does the person sleeping next to you. This may cause serious problems for your health and your relationship. The main cause of snoring in adults is obesity. However, not only obese people snore. People who aren't overweight can also snore or suffer from sleep apnea, small pauses in breathing while sleeping, due to the shape of their mouth. Age can also affect snoring. As we age, we lose muscle mass, which creates flaccidity around our throat and keeps air from passing correctly. If you suffer from this problem or know anyone who does, you should know that there are several ways to improve this condition. Listed below are 10 tips and recipes to treat snoring. Use extra pillows. Have you ever tried sleeping on a taller pillow or adding an extra pillow to your normal one? The extra boost helps your airways to stay open, improving snoring. Sleep on your side. Sleeping with your stomach down pushes your tongue back into your throat, which blocks the air. Peppermint oil gargle. Try to do this before going to bed. Add a drop of peppermint oil to a cup of cold water. Attention, don't drink the water, gargle it. Peppermint tea gargle. Some people may prefer gargling with tea. All you have to do is put a handful of peppermint leaves in a cup of hot water. Wait for it to cool, strain it, and gargle. Nettle tea. Sometimes snoring is caused by dust and hair allergies. If this is your case, you need to drink nettle tea. Boil a cup of water, add some dry nettle leaves, you can buy them at a health food store, and cover the cup. After 10 minutes, drink the tea. This recipe is a great antihistamine and should be consumed before going to bed. Lose weight. Losing weight won't only help you with your snoring problem, but it will also help you live better. Try walking, exercising regularly, and avoiding smoking. Alcoholic drinks are also a bad idea, especially before bed. Anti-snoring juice. Blend a 3 centimeter long piece of ginger, grated, 2 medium carrots, 2 apples, the juice of 2 lemons, and enough water to top off the blender. Strain the mixture and drink it right away. Always do this a half hour before going to bed. Rue and olive oil. Put 50 grams of rue in a dark jar and cover it with olive oil. Cover the jar and let it sit in a dark, dry area for 14 days. After the time of infusion, apply it on your nose, neck, throat area, and the nape of your neck. But first, perform an allergy test. Apply a little of the oil on your elbow. Wait a while, and if you don't experience any irritation, you can use it freely. Onion and salt. Cut a medium-sized onion and place it on a small plate. Sprinkle some salt on it. Put the plate on your bedside table and leave it there all night long while you are sleeping. Cardamom. Mix a half a teaspoon of cardamom seeds, powdered or crushed, in a cup of warm water. Drink this mixture half an hour before going to bed. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.